to a different topic. Think about how many times already today that you've looked at your phone screen, computer screen, tablet, anything, probably quite a bit already, right? Well, a new survey is showing us what that could be doing to our eyes. There are an estimated 30 million U.S. adults who report symptoms consistent with dry eye. Approximately 16 million have been diagnosed with the disease by a healthcare professional. Now, in a new survey, not surprisingly, most eye care professionals said that today's modern multi-screen lifestyle with everyday use of our phones, tablets, computer screens, it's a contributing factor to the rise in dry eye disease, and the condition is becoming increasingly common. Now, our use of modern technology is causing the disease to affect our younger adults at a growing rate. Let's hear more of the findings from this survey from Dr. Marguerite McDonald. Doctor, I did hit on some of these findings, but what are maybe some of those other key subjects that we hit on?
Well, first, very quickly, the survey was called the CARE study. Current attitudes regarding eye health, and it was a very robust study from Harris Poll, and they surveyed over 1,200 dry eye patients, adults, and over 1,000 eye doctors, optometrists and ophthalmologists. And the key findings were, first, that there's no longer a typical dry eye patient. We used to think it was primarily females over 50, and while that group still gets dry eye, we now see that that patient base has expanded. It includes adults in every decade of life, including men. So men and women get dry eye now. The second is that there's a huge opportunity for more conversations and better conversations about dry eye between the patients and the doctors. And the third is that 89% of the doctors surveyed felt that our multi-screen lifestyle is the #1 contributing factor to the increased prevalence of dry eye disease in the United States.
And so are you kind of seeing the findings from the survey kind of mirroring what you're also seeing in your practice? Are you seeing that firsthand?
Absolutely. I practice in 3 different offices, Tina. One of them is very close to the Merchant Marine Academy on Long Island. So these are young people in college, boys and girls or men and women. And we see them coming in large numbers with moderate to severe dry eye because they're in front of a digital device all day long. They move from one to the other.
So now that we're seeing like a different demographic, different ages, and we're kind of seeing those contributing factors, if somebody thinks they may have this, what are some of those key symptoms they should be looking out for?
Well, a dry sensation, discomfort, fluctuating vision, poor vision, light sensitivity, mild itching, and just eye fatigue. That is a big one. When your eyes are exhausted, it impacts your entire life. For instance, the people in the survey, 75% of them said that their dry eye significantly impacts their ability to sit in front of a screen. 68% said that it impacted their ability to pursue their favorite hobbies. 64% said it was hard to do daily activities like shopping or driving. And 54% said it impacted their ability to work effectively. So it really impacts all aspects of life, not just your ocular health.
Well, is there something maybe we can leave our viewers with on how to prevent that from happening?
Well, there are 3 things. One is go to www.myeyelove.com if you want to learn more about dry eye and learn about your risk factors and how to talk to a doctor about dry eye, and then go see an eye doctor. See an optometrist or an ophthalmologist, a professional, and get your annual eye exam. And you will be asked questions about dry eye, and you'll be given specific diagnostic tests. And if you do have dry eye, you will be assigned a treatment plan. And the other thing is, of course, just make sure you blink at work and take a 20-second break every 20 minutes and lower your computer screen.
Those are all perfect tips. And doctor, if we want to also go back and see that survey or see some more of those findings, where can we find that online?
On the website, actually, www.myeyelove.com, myeyelove.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for all of this information this morning.
My pleasure, Tina.
Don't go anywhere. The Morning Blend. We'll be right back.